Hi, my name is Prasanna Kumar. What's your name?
Hi, good evening. My name is Kunal Reddy.
Okay, Kunal. Can you tell me something about yourself?
Yeah, hi. I'm working with a company, so it's a multinational company, which is located in Hyderabad as a HR associate service. So I have having experience of around 3 years. So totally into core HR. Previously, I worked for IT recruitment. Later on, and I moved to the team called onboarding. So which is part of taking care of onboarding formalities for the rest of the world, which means like exclude Canada, Mexico, US. So whatever the countries which might come like Asia Pacific, Australia, New Zealand, Europe, Middle East, these all countries, I'll take care of these all countries onboarding process.
Okay. As per your information that you are a HR person, right? You take care of
Yes,
onboarding process. Can you please explain me
yes.
something about onboarding process? What exactly you do?
Initially the associate will come on the same day of joining. So we need to verify his offer letter, whether he is eligible to join on the same day. So some people will come on data joining with a different date. So suppose today is the DO day. Associate came on tomorrow. So that we need to verify. So I'll verify his offer letter and his ID proof and experience letter. So based on those, I'll check whether he is eligible to join. I mean, yeah, it's a genuine offer letter or not. So I'll verify those and I'll give it to the next team to process his ID card and take care of his joining formalities, induction part. So these are all the activities I will do.
What do you mean by induction? What exactly you do in the induction?
Induction will explain about the company policies, the procedures, how we follow the procedure of the particular like job responsibility and what kind of benefits we'll provide, what kind of activities will be done in the office. So these all will come under to person know about the company which joins, like what is the turnover and how many locations we have. So these kind of details will be explained in the induction part.
Okay. Yeah, Kunal, today's topic is going to be like time management.
Okay. Good.
Everyone tells like time is a money, right? Can you tell me
Yes.
like do you accept with the statement or you deny that statement?
Yeah, I'll definitely accept the statement. See, time is always a money.
Okay, can I know why?
See, why means like if you have a time, we can earn and we can grow ourselves and we can provide it. If you have time, also we can provide our knowledge to the others to make them grow. So that's what I trust every time. Like time is more valuable than anything else.
Right, right. Do you follow like time management? Can you tell me something
Yeah,
what exactly you do daily, your time management?
yeah, definitely. So coming to time management, I'll wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. So I'll do my yoga or exercises, whatever I do. So I'll refresh my mind, and then when office hours, when I log in and I'll check whether what are the pending activities which are there since from the yesterday to till today morning. So I'll verify all those activities. Then I'll plan about next activities which will be done in the next session. So what kind of activities we'll do, what kind of emails we have received, what kind of queries we have addressed. So I'll always like analysis and then I'll proceed to the next step.
Okay. Kunal, can you tell me what you do when you have a free time? What are your like hobbies and what you do?
Free time. So free time most probably in weekends. Either in one day I'll play cricket, and the other day I'll invest on learning new things like so any kind of like software. So I mean, what kind of process will be there and how the soft development will be, how the support role will be there. So these kind of analysis I'll be doing through my friends. I'll knowing through my friends or colleagues who are there in particular projects and all. So I'll interact with the newcomers who will be joining as a fresher, so they might also have a different experience of sharing it. So I'll interact with each and everyone who is having information related to not even to the personal as well as public as well. Like so to knowing about the current affairs, these all details I'll learn in the free time.
Okay. And think about your work environment.
Work environment, as you already know that we are working from home currently. So previously it was different experience. Like so we used to have team meetings. We used to know about where are the area gaps. See today if some mistake has happened, so tomorrow we won't let that happen again. The same mistake. So we need to learn. We will analyze the mistake which was done and where was the gap. We'll identify the gap and we'll provide the proper training knowledge each and every maybe each and every day or once in a week.
Okay.
And we'll analyze. So coming to the work from home kind of environment nowadays, so we'll definitely interact with the calls and we'll definitely identify identify the solutions and we take the information from the other people as well. Like what are the information they provide, we collide all the information and we'll check. So what are the best solution and what are the best way to resolve this kind of issues or within a short time.
Okay. Now, like which environment is you are more comfortable? Work from home or work from hobbies?
So honestly, it will be work from office only. So
Why?
we can interact directly with them.
Why?
Why? So the reason why is like we can directly interact with our managers and higher level leaders. We can go through and we'll explore whatever our activities and instead of like working from home, it will be better for me to work in office hours. So we'll have some meetings, we'll have some fun activities, so everything. So within 8 hours, we'll work minimum 7 hours and we'll take 1 hour break. So exclude that 1 hour break, then within 7 hours we'll interact with each and every one day, so we can learn few things from there.
Okay. See, Kunal, you're very good in communication. Can you give some tips to my like viewers about improving the communication skills?
Yeah. So I tell you secret which I have followed. Every day I used to learn one word, which is from a dictionary. So I used to analyze about the meaning and the synopsis of that particular word. Each day I'll take one word and I'll write it on my book, personal book, using online dictionary or whatever it is. So I'll learn the meaning about that and I'll start analyzing where it should be useful in a better way. So these kind of things I'll do so to improve the communication. Coming to we can read newspapers, so we can read the English newspapers as well, and we can nowadays everybody is following YouTube and YouTube has become a trend now, so we can watch many YouTube videos to know about the English pronunciation or grammar mistakes or something. We can learn more about English these days through online and sitting from home. We can learn anything like so communication. We can improve our communication skills based on our internet or something.
Okay. And Kunal, can I know something about your family background? What is the size of your family?
Yeah. So we are three now. So one of my sisters is already married. She moved in his in-laws house. So we are three now. My mother and I have one younger sister, and we are staying in my house.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any questions for me, Kunal? You want to know
Yeah,
something
definitely.
from me?
Yeah, definitely. So
Please go ahead.
my first question would be how you have spent your time improving your communication skills?
Yeah, yeah. Thanks for asking that question. See, still, I'm not thinking that I'm very strong in communication. Still, I have a lot of experience into the IT industry. Still, I'm learning to improve my communication skills. As per my knowledge, first step is to improve communication is we need to talk with ourselves, right? And so that slowly we are going to improve our communication. Why? Because we don't get immediately environment to speak to other person, right? Why? Because
Yes.
definitely, see, English is not our mother tongue. So we need to practice a lot. Daily, we need to create the environment. We need to practice the English so that we are going to improve day by day. Still, I am a learner. I'm learning. As you said rightly, I am also practicing, improving the vocabulary and practicing the framing of the sentences. All these things I am also doing. And apart from that, as per my advice, improving the communication skills, we need to read the newspaper daily outside. Say, for example, I am interested in sports. I can read the sports information in the newspaper. Very point to be noted is we need to read the newspaper outside, and we need not worry about knowing all the sentences or all the words. We need not go to the dictionary, and we need to verify some sentences. We need to understand the scenario of the sentence, right? And also, definitely, one more important thing is creating the environment. We need to talk to the people. And whenever we go to any shop, if any possibility is there, we need to interact with them in English so that we are going to improve. And also, nowadays, the social media is very powerful.
Yes.
If you want to learn like English, social media is the best platform to improve your communication skills. I think I answered your question, right?
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
Anything else you want
really
to
nice.
know from me?
Yeah. This is really nice to hear that like social networking has improved many people's skills. Yes, I do agree. So anything else means like what will you do when you're in free time? Like so how you will spend with the family, how you will spend with the outside, how you will spend outside or with family.
Yeah. When I have a free time, my one of the hobbies are like singing. I sing a songs, and also I love like traveling. I used to go to a lot of places within the country, and most of the time I go along with my family members, so that I'm also going to enjoy the travel and also my family.
Good to hear that you'll always go with your family. So uh, and thanks for the wonderful experience you have
Yes.
shared with me.
Right. And okay, Kunal, I think like we are running out of time. And thank you so much. It was nice talking to you.
Yeah, thank you. It was really nice talking to you from my side.